Emma's in the pool.
Are you gonna do it?
They fill it up with water. Yeah.
You do it. Here, go. You do it.
This is Amy showing Emma the intricate working of a watering can.
Good job. Good
Yay,
job.
pool time. Ah.
Is that fun? Put some more in. Put some more in. Here you go. You do it.
Yeah.
Good job, Emma. Oh, yeah. Get some more. Water. Helps if it's, full of water. Ta-da! Yay, Emma!
Nice.
Even the handle. Quite ingenious.
Say, help me fill it up again.
Fill it up again. Put some more water in it. Here we go. Ready? 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 Code. Here's some more. There's some more. Get some water in there. Here you go. Now it's your turn.
Yeah. There's your one little tooth.
Don't duck on it. Whoa.